Hey guys, my name is Neil Narvaez with Professional Tax Services, and I'm making this video to help those people out there, those gig workers, self-employed workers, artists, writers, independent contractors. We're all struggling with this COVID-19 pandemic going on right now, but relief with the CARES Act that the government passed a few days ago is out there, and not a lot of people know about this critical piece. I'm talking about $10,000 grant. Now this is not a loan, this is a grant. Money to help those who need it most, the small businesses, as far as financial help. So pay attention. We're going to walk through the actual application. The URL is down below. Click on the URL. This is administered by the Small Business Association, and the critical thing about this is there $10 billion was allocated, and it's a first come, first serve. So the first people to grab this $10,000 grant to help them with their businesses, to help businesses and solo entrepreneurs, gig workers, independent contractors, to help them maintain their payroll, pay for the mortgage, rent, supplies. If you've been impacted in any way because of the COVID-19 pandemic economically, this is there to help you, but you got to act. I mean, watch the video. I'm going to show you on the screen how to walk through the application. Do it now. It's first come, first serve. There's $10 billion divided by 10,000 people requesting it, so there's only about maybe 1 million of these available, so you have to act now. So check it out. We're going to walk through it right now. Okay guys, so here we are. This is the actual website here for the SBCA loan, the Economic Injury Disaster Loan Application. Now remember, this is for a loan to help you with your business, but what we're concentrating on here today is for the $10,000 grant, which does not have to be paid back as long as it's used for business expenses, mortgage, payroll, et cetera, et cetera. So we're going to walk through this. So you have to be a business that has less than 500 employees, or as I said, this could be for a sole proprietorship, independent contractor, gig worker, whatever the case may be. So let's assume we have a sole prop here. We have a business for ourselves. Please read all of these. Make sure they don't apply to you. You're not a lobbyist. You're not a member of Congress, et cetera, et cetera. Make sure that doesn't apply. Here we go, business legal name. So if you're just a sole proprietorship, that's going to be your name, unless you have a business name. We'll put my name in here as a trade name. Put in your EIN or your social security number if you're just a sole proprietor and you don't have a business ID number. What's your type of organization? Again, this is good for sole proprietorships, LLCs. We're not talking right now, this isn't for nonprofits or franchisees. Gross revenues. So remember, your business had to have been established by January 31st of this year to qualify for this grant money or loan. But the amount that you can get for a loan is based on revenues from the previous year. So let's just say we made $25,000 last year. What were your costs of goods sold if you're selling things? This isn't for rental properties or nonprofits or faith-based entities. That's not what this little video is about. Your primary business address, we'll just put the business address here. We are based in the San Francisco Bay Area, here in California, Fremont. We'll put our business phone number here. Our business email address. Again, all of this is going to be pretty straightforward. The year the business was established, as I mentioned, you have to have been in business before January 1st of this year. So we'll put our ownership dates, and you have been an owner since we established the business. Select your business, appropriate business activity. We're in the tax prep business, accounting. For employees. Now, is your business owned by a business entity? Does a C Corp or LLC own your business? Most often than not, that's not going to be the case. So this is the owner. Who's the owner of the business? We're going to put, again, that's going to be me. Enter your mobile phone number. We'll just put our business phone number. You can see text there. What's your title? It could be other, it could be the owner, CEO, whatever the case, again, maybe what percentage you own of the business. And we'll put our business email in here. Social security number, again, this is a loan, so enter your personal social security number. Of course, we're just going to use a dummy one here. Your birth date, where you're born, Oakland, O-Town. I'm a U.S. citizen. For a residential address, we're just, again, for purposes here, I'm going to put our business address. And next. more information. They want to make sure that none of that, you haven't been, the owner or the business hasn't been convicted of criminal offense, that you don't have any suspended loans. Again, read all of this, make sure that it's accurate. If somebody helped you with this, enter their name here. We're making this video so you can do it yourself, so you don't have to pay anybody to do this for you. This is the key. This is it right here. Make sure, of course, that that checkbox is checked. I would like to be considered for an advance of up to $10,000. Again, this is a grant, not a loan. And this will be direct deposited into your account, your bank account. They say within 3 days. Jury's out on that. We'll see. Put in your account number. You don't want to tell me account number, the rounding number. Read the legalese. Make sure that all of that's true. Click next. And that's essentially it. You can review all of your information that you entered. Make sure it looks good. Make sure you're not a robot. And traffic lights. Oh, this is great wizardry in there. All the bicycles. I guess bicycles are motorcycles. You're not a robot. You verified that. Click submit. That's it. Hopefully you'll be one of the first, I guess, 1 million small businesses or freelancers or sole proprietors that can get this money. We're making this to help people out. So please get on this now. Click the link below for the loan application online. And good luck. Stay safe and take care out there, guys.